Assalamu alaikum. Bangladesh right now is free from a dictator. So after Sheikh Hasina left Bangladesh very shamefully, she and her sister, they left Bangladesh, they flee from Bangladesh. And now what is going on? Indian news media, they are spreading all the false news, all the false information about minorities, Hindu communities. They are trying to post, they are trying to tell the world that in Bangladesh minorities are in danger, which is not true, which is not true at all. I will appeal the head of the Hindu organizations and the other minority organizations to come forward and talk about this issue, that in Bangladesh no minority is in danger. It was the Bangladeshi people, the Bangladeshi citizen who is in danger, who was in danger all those time. There are 8% Hindu people in Bangladesh, but in government job there are more than 43% Hindu, which is a discrimination, a huge discrimination. All these protests, everything is all about for this discrimination. Now Sheikh Hasina has given India more than enough, way a lot, which was not a good thing to do. She has done it against the will of Bangladeshi people. So I will tell to Indian news medias to stop this propaganda. And I will request all Bangladeshi people to turn on their channel and go to report it, that they are spreading violence and misinformation and hatred. Report all their channels, all their videos. They are using this media tool so we have to use ours. That time has gone. No more terrorist drama in Bangladesh. That's enough. Sheikh Hasina, this political party, Awami League, single-handedly killed more than hundreds and thousands of people. They have killed innocent civilians, children, babies, minor students. They have killed everyone. They have killed a massacre. They have made a massacre. So I'm telling all Bangladeshi people to stand up and be very careful about Indian propaganda. All Indian terrorists who are living right now in Bangladesh, you must leave Bangladesh right now. Enough is enough. You have done enough harm to Bangladesh already. We don't want any more innocent Bangladeshi civilians' blood. And I will tell the world, to take actions against Sheikh Hasina and her mafia, this organization. Now Bangladesh will be a newborn country. It will be a developed country so soon. We Bangladeshi people are hardworking. We will rebuild our country again. So that's all I was trying to say. The main thing is be very careful about Indian media. Stand against their propaganda. Go in their videos and report it. And all the Hindu organizations, the leaders who are living in Bangladesh, you have to stand up, you have to talk about it, that you are not in danger. Thank you for listening to me. From now on, I will talk about it. The Bangladesh government, the Sheikh Hasina regime, this government, they were holding everyone's throat. No one could talk about it. No one could talk about their atrocities, their murders, their corruptions. Now time has changed. Thank you very much.